37 parallel. And you can see it cuts right through Kentucky and probably California and Area 51, right through to the top of Africa there. I'm not sure what's up there though. India, some China, some Russia. I think, isn't that where one of the UFO sightings was, that we covered with Robert? I'm not sure if he's on. What was it called now? Where George Knapp got a piece of material from. It looks like it's in the same location there. Seems to be like a common one. So what is, it's like a band of different has a electromagnetic field different at that location there on the planets. So you can bring that on Google Earth and actually show you the grid line on that. And I already got it up here, so you can see the grid lines here of these special lines. And you can see one cuts through Australia there, doesn't quite make it through New Zealand. But what's those ones called? So you got crater, and I think the next one is what they call 37, is it? It could be 23 line, and then 37 should be there. How can I rotate that? 23 Tropic of Cancer. Where's the 37 one gone? Africa, America. Let's all skew with here. Let's see if we can line it up. Yep. Upside down. Okay. Close. Is there a reset thing? Right. Yeah, so what's that one there? 23. Where's the 37 one gone? '37 used to have a line going through it. It doesn't have it on the map now for some reason. But that doesn't make any sense. Something's got turned off. It used to put the other ones in between. Now what's that one say? Capricorn. I had it all set up. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. I think you have to go Tools. Let's see it. Here. Atmospheric grid. The grid. Maybe it doesn't put the line in, but there's 37 here. Oh right, that's like a fine adjustment. We've got these little blocks coming up here. So what we can do is we can zoom right down to break as close to 37 parallel. So it's a bit confusing. I just wish we could get rid of it to say 37. But you want to get to 37.0, so that's 10 minutes. 7, 6, 5. And on the series of Hella, they said that the 37 parallel actually went straight through the middle of Somerset, and it doesn't. It goes right below it. So have I got Somerset here? So let's see if we can go to it on the map. What's interesting though, on that Hella again, going back to Hella, they said at Somerset they used to get a lot of apparitions of these white ghost pillars, which is very similar to what I experienced. So I just wonder if there's a connection there. So there's Somerset, and you can see 37's way down here. So it's actually below the city. It doesn't cut right through it. That's about here somewhere. It's at the bottom of the city, and Somerset's way up here. But it's close, you know. It's still passing through the region, give or take 10 minutes. It looks like it's going through the desert here, United States. What's that place? Oklahoma. It's still going, although it's rotating around for some reason. And where's it cut through here? California, bottom of California. That's where the Tic Tac was, wasn't it? It's down that location there, 37 parallel, which I find fascinating. And you've got the Grand Canyon close to it. Here, look. Grand Canyon. Where's Area 51 on this map? New Mexico, Arizona. Could explain a lot that happens in Arizona there. Oh, hello, Shelley. You're a bit late. Where's Area 51? Somerset's there. Let's just put it in. Area 51. Now this is what you do for research, right? So it is tedious, but then you start to see connections that you can relate to stories. So why is it not put Area 51 here for us? It's not. It looks like the location. S4 is it? Is that location? Salt Lake of some kind there. It's funny how it runs directly underneath 37 there. Look, straight smack on. That whole thing there is a desert. 37. It's all in the range here. Give or take, 50, 100 miles maybe. S4. I know we had it on the map here, bookmarked somewhere. Let's see. I thought we had. That mountain antenna. No. What else can we try? S4. S4. What did you get any reference on that? Couldn't find it. Should Area 51. Area 41. Alien Center. Oh. There's something valley there. There we go. And where does it lie? 37! There you go. Pretty close. And there's Area 51. Smack on 37. How about that, guys? I bet you didn't know that, because I certainly didn't. So it's from that lake there, which is S4, isn't it? That's S4 there. Smack on, almost close to 37-0. What's that one? Pasca. What's it called now? Pasca something Lake. Papoose Lake, wasn't it? Something like that. There you go. That's on 37. The whole area from there to there. 37. Yeah. UFO hotspots happen. So let's try Skinwalker Ranch. Now this has been quite exciting now. So, did I have a bookmark for that by any chance? Probably not. Damn it. Now it's deleting. Skinwalker Ranch. Skinwalker Ranch. Is it even listed? I know there's several Skinwalker Ranches, so we've got to pick the right one. Which one is it though? That one there? Utah? That sounds like the right one, doesn't it? There we go. Whoa! No, that one's way off. Is that where Skinwalker Ranch is? Or is it the wrong location? Looks like it could be in the right spot. So that's not even close to 37. This one's close to 40. So that's a bit of a shame. That would have been good if that one lined up with N37, eh? But we got a lot of hot spots here. We got Talia, and we got what was the other bit in the middle? Arizona, and we've got a bottom of SoCal, or whatever it's called, South California. So anyway, go and have a play yourself. You just have to go view, tick on grid. So let's just find out what this 37 parallel is. Oh, showing hotspots. No, I'm not sure what the color codes are for. But yeah, straight across from Kentucky, Area 51. What's over here on the map? What locations there? I'm not sure. And then you got Arizona just below that here, Four Corners, New Mexico there. So it's a pretty good map. And here's another one here showing it a wee bit better. So we've got Kentucky. What's MO? Missouri, is it? K something? Kansas, is it? What's KS? CO, AZ, Arizona, Nevada. So we went through all those ones. So that one's pretty good. So major active duty Air Force bases. You can see how many Air Force bases they've got scattered around there. Quite a lot, huh? And of course 37 parallel runs through this way. And we've got another map here, which is quite interesting as well. Yellow decommissioned. So that's Air Force bases. What's the red? Red is a terrible colour. Nuclear power plants. So they're showing also where nuclear stuff, material is decommissioned. I reckon they needed to separate that out a wee bit better. With maybe a blue colour or something. So yeah, maybe you should read out that one next. That one looks more detailed. And also this one here I found, America's UFO Highway. And it's got actually not just the 37 parallel, but they also got it at the other location. Right, Skinwalker Ranch passes through 40. So it doesn't do 37, but this is the next level up, which they call the 40th parallel, and underneath that is the 34th parallel. And there's the clusters are happening. And guess what? Skinwalker Ranch cuts through that location on the map. That's interesting too.